Hi guys, hi from Andrea Unger. The Unger Academy, does it work? Of course, I always said it takes a lot of effort. It takes commitment, hard work to be successful in trading, and only committed people can succeed in getting something. There are anyway students who got results from what they studied. And today I want to present to you one of these students, a student who was able to achieve some important goals in his training. Listen to this interview, hoping tomorrow you could be sitting there and releasing a similar interview.
I'm John Sills, and I'm a consultant. I do supply chain consulting, and I specialize in warehouse automation and design. I've been trading. I was a Series 7 financial advisor, so I was trading stocks for about 10 years, but not to the level I'm trading now, discretionary level. And futures, I just started about 4 months ago. Well, I'm an engineer, I'm an industrial engineer, so I like the idea of automation. Plus, you can't watch every market, so I'm hoping to have multiple markets working at one time, which I am right now. So yeah, I like multiple markets, and it takes out I'm a lot calmer trading systemically than with a discretionary trading. Well, right now I'm just trading the trend following ones, crude oil, unleaded gas, home heating oil. The reason being is I've only gotten 1/3 of the way done with your course. So I'm just in the trend following. I got to go to the next level, next sections yet. Well, I started with TradeStation, and that wasn't too reliable. So I switched over to multi-charts about 2 months ago, and that's been working a lot better. And I'm using Stage 5, who's using Gain Capital for the feed. I think it's just the first course that I'm in, the systematic trading. It's the one with right now the trend following, and then there's the reversals, and then the biased trading. So I think it's the first course. Yes, that's it. Thank you. Sorry. Well, I've been doing the trend following process, and it's been working pretty well. I'm up about $25,000 right now. So it's working nice, and very happy with it. I've hit a little snag right now, problems with the high volatility. So it seems like I'm stuck at 25,000. I go up to gaining 40,000, and then I go down to 25,000 again. So I'm sort of stuck at this level right now, but I've been trying to work on it. Trying to do a shorter term scan. Instead of like 6 years, I've been doing like just 4 months or 3 months to try to get the trend correct and profitable. So I started with 25,000. My account goes up to 60,000, but I'm back down to about 54,000 right now. So that's about 25 to 30,000 results in about 2 months of trading with the systemic system. I have it separated. I just use multi-charts for systemic trading, and I use my TradeStation for discretionary trading. Yeah, it's about 2 months.
Okay.
I was really up higher actually after 1 month, but I lost quite a bit of money in 1 week. That it's back down to like 30,000, 25,000 gain. Well, it's obviously the trend following, because that's the only one I'm doing right now, and I really like the way you can optimize with 41 or 42 different patterns. So it works very well. Well, I like you can go in your own pace, and I like also that you can upload your program or system, and people look at it and critique it a little. So it's nice to have someone looking at your work and trying to perfect it a little better. Yeah, I've recommended a couple friends to try it. It's not real difficult to do, and you don't need a lot of trading experience to do it. You just have to be able to work with like multi-charts. I would recommend people use multi-charts, not TradeStation though. So yeah, I've recommended a few of my friends. A lot of my friends are like engineers, so I think it's easier for them because they're not afraid of the programming stuff, but I think anyone can do it, really. Well, I constantly feel you got to learn and improve yourself, so taking any course would be good, but I think the systemic one here is one of the excellent ones. I mean, if I can make 25,000 from 25, I started with 25,000. If you can do that in a month or so, that's great. So, I want that. I'm sure the consistency will come soon, hopefully.
So guys, this was it. I hope it was interesting. Well, I'm sure it was. And maybe now you feel committed, you want to go, start, or you are simply curious. Never mind. If you want to know something more about what's inside the Unger Academy, what you can find there, what it is all about, there is a link here below. You can register and you get for free some interesting information about what would happen to you if you go further in the Unger Academy.